Alright, from the top. Today I wrote a song, working on a new song for the blues lovers. We're going through a real tough time. The Brooklyn Blues. I was walking on the bad side of Brooklyn, Utica, East New York. Boys on the corner smoking, rolling up a joint. Nowhere to go but to get high. Release the prisoners, it's legal now. Set them free, let them set up shop. But keep your synthetic smoke away from me. This song is to bring awareness at the same time for the environment, health, especially women's health, and social injustice.
Now.
I was walking on the bad side of Brooklyn, East New York, Utica. Boys on the corner smoking, rolling up a joint, nowhere to go but to get high. Release the prisoners, it's legal now. Set them free, let them set up shop, but keep your synthetic smoke away from me.
The Brooklyn Blues.
The Brooklyn Blues, the Brooklyn Blues. I got it, you got it, we got it. The Brooklyn Blues, I got it, you got it, we got it. The Brooklyn Blues,
I got it,
you got it, we got it. Brooklyn Blues,
You got it, I got it, you got it.
I got it, you got it, we got it. The Brooklyn Blues. All right, everybody, BC Original Rehearsal, live recorded for HelloMadeInBrooklyn Records.